In this video, I'm going to show you how to view location history on iPhone. So in order for us to get this done, I'm going to go ahead and basically scroll down and we're going to look for the privacy option. So this one right here, I want you to go ahead and click that one. And then you're going to go ahead and open the location services here at the top. And then I want you to go ahead and scroll down and open the system services. Go ahead and click this one right here and then scroll down once again. And you should be able to see here the significant locations. Go ahead and click that and then unlock this one with a Touch ID. There you go. And then you have to make sure that this is turned on, otherwise you won't have any data in here. Now what you're going to see is the recent records of your location. In my case, you're seeing none because I just cleared this one, and I also don't use this iPhone a lot outside. This iPhone is mainly used for these particular videos. And again, if you want to clear the history, go ahead and tap this one right here and then choose clear history, just like so. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.